We are using Varya's gluten-free flour and will tell you how to make a soft roti or paratha using this flour. So here we have taken 250 grams of flour, in which we will put 2 tablespoons of oil and some salt as per your taste, which is around half teaspoon, and you can put any veggie puree or any veggie that you like in the flour. And today we are using fresh green leaf methi. Now you can add some 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, red pepper as per your taste. Let it come to a consistency of breadcrumbs. Okay, now you can add your favorite veggie. We are using methi here, fresh methi. Now you can start adding water little by little. Make a dough. Okay, now our dough is ready and you can check its consistency. It is soft but not very loose. My finger marks are left easily on the dough, so that's the consistency we want. Now our dough is ready. We are going to roll our paratha. Take some dry flour and roll it very lightly with very light hands. You don't have to put any pressure on the dough for rolling it. Just keep rolling it very slowly and very lightly. Now what we did, we gave this tawa an oil wash, and we have put our paratha on this. Oil wash means when your tawa is hot, put a little bit, just a few drops of oil and wipe it with a kitchen towel, and then put your paratha, rolled paratha, on this. After a few seconds or maybe around 1 minute, you can turn it. And here we have medium flame. And when the other side is cooked, apply oil on this side and then turn it. And now apply oil. It will take a little bit longer than the normal wheat parantha because this is rice. Rice takes more time to cook. Okay. When your paratha is done, let it cool down and then we'll see how it has come out. Now our parathas are ready. Let us check how soft it is. Wow, this is at room temperature and this is really soft.